If we have thousands of cells in one image, we can use grid. This grid splits the image to different parts, small parts, and we can just count in one part or two or as we want. Couple of parts of that, and the program will count the overall counting by the areas of the full image and those areas that we have counted. We can add a grid to marquee layer by pressing the G button here in marquee layer and put it on. And now we can select how many small rectangles there will be. This is how many rows and columns there will be. And let's select 5 and 6. There is 5 rows, 6 columns. And we can select how many of those small rectangles are active, that we can count the cells of those rectangles. And let's say 25%. We press save. You can see here the grid, and here are the active rectangles. You can add markings there, but not here because it's not active. And when you can see, when there is now 0 counting, but when we press 1, it gives 5, 9, 14, 18, 23. So 27 it says. And there is a couple of important things. Let's go first here. One good way is to select cells if they are crossing this upper line, then it's selected, and this left line it is selected like this. But if it's crossing this right or bottom line, it's not selected. Let's check, is there any here. This one is crossing this right line, it's not selected. And here is a bottom crossing cell, so we are not selecting that one. And here is that cell is crossing the upper line, we can select it, and left line we can select it, but this is crossing the right line of that grid. And here is only one, and maybe no other. It says 95, maybe here and here. 109. And this works only for images where is a lot of cells, thousands of cells. If you want to add a grid to all marquee layers under this image layer, you can press the G button here and make the settings. Press save, and then there is identical grid in both marquee layers, in all marquee layers that are under this image layer. And then if you want to add grid to all marquee layers, what are shown here, you can go to menu, grid, set grid properties, set it on, make the settings and press save. Then there is identical grid in all marquee layers.